Cool. Okay, guys, so if we are not using Lightroom generative fill now, like this is something it's amazing. We got to be doing it. So now you don't have to do your edit in Lightroom and then jump into Photoshop. You can actually come up right up here to this little dude, click on him, and then you can adjust the size just like you would do in Photoshop if you guys are familiar with that. But what is amazing about this is you don't have to export things into Photoshop anymore. You can just do it right here in Lightroom. So let's remove that and adding. So if you hit add, then you've got this little plus here, and if you do subtract, that's how you could remove some of that brush. So we'll leave that on add. I haven't used this a ton yet, but so far everything I've done, I've needed it for, it's taken care of it. And then just hit remove, give it a second, it'll go through, and then it's gonna give you 3 options. So once you got those 3 options, take a look, see if it accomplishes what you need to. If not, you can delete it, and then obviously go with, you know, something else. So let's see here. So this is what it did with the floor. So there's option 2, and then here's option 3. Really, that'll work. All I'm trying to do is remove distraction. This isn't too bad. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to make a gradient, and since I would darken the floor anyway, we're gonna do something like that because it's a stage cast photo, you know, and that takes care of basically what we need to do for the floor, just so it's not as ugly. I could probably come in here and remove these trapdoors if I really wanted to. Like I said, I haven't pushed the software too much, but that's what you do there. If you need to remove something, you don't like the look of it, you come over here to history, and then you just see these select variant, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna show you where the variant is. Here we go. Go back to that tool. So there's a variant right here. So you'll click on that, and then you just come up here, and then, oops, you just hit delete, okay? And that's how you get rid of that.